Good morning, my lovelies. So I've been really excited to share this with you all and also to try this out today. So when we were at Exclusively Show, we saw this Bacon Express machine and we thought it looked absolutely amazing. So kindly Smart have sent us one to try. So I'm going to be sharing my honest review with you all, and I'll try and take you along with the sort of first impressions of me using it today. So this could be an absolute game changer for any bacon lovers out there. And the majority of you have agreed that you do like a bacon sandwich. So let's see how we get on with this. So I am making sure I read the instructions before I start because I don't want to mess it up. So there is a drip tray here where all the fat goes. So it says it's a healthier way to cook bacon. So on either side are these cool touch handles, which is how you open it. So it says that these side bits come off for cleaning, so I'm assuming it will be really easy to clean, which is brilliant because we all know cooking bacon is not the cleanest of tasks. And then here we have the crispometer, which is what I'm going to call it, and you can adjust the crispiness depending on if it's thin or thick bacon. So first of all, after plugging it into the wall, it says to turn the cooking dial to preheat, which I've done. You then turn the power button on. And while it's preheating, the power button will illuminate blue. So as soon as it's preheated, the cooking dial will beep 10 times and then the power button will be switched off. So that was it beeping, so that means it's preheated, and as you can see, the blue light is no longer illuminated. So that bacon sandwich was so good that Luke has requested another one, but just look at the amount of fat it's caught. The Bacon Express has cooled down now, so I'm just going to show you how easy it is to disassemble this to clean it. So first of all, you have these little tabs here. So obviously it's easier with both hands, but you just pull these tabs and this middle bit will slide off. Then it will tell you which one of these two sides to remove first for cleaning, and then you literally just pull up from the end and these bits will also lift off.